Yesterday, I indulged myself. I bought three books for myself, and it made me really happy. One book is something that I had heard about, read about, and I've been wanting to read it. But two others are new authors and new books that I had just not heard about. So let me start with the author and book that I had heard about. This is Catabasis by Arif Kwang. I have read one of her books earlier called The Poppy Wars, which is the first of a trilogy. I did not read the rest, but I really liked it. I liked The Poppy Wars. And Arif Kwang has also written Babel and Yellowface and books like that. So Catabasis is something that I had heard about. I have been wanting to read it. So I picked it up and I just read through from here and there and I liked it. This is about two academics, two doctoral candidates who are venturing into hell in search of their thesis advisor in order to get letters of recommendation from him, which I found hilarious, just the thought. So, both of them are magicians, and both these doctoral candidates are bitter rivals. And hell, as it is shown here, is very different from what they had thought it to be. So I think this is going to be fun. Catabasis by Arif Kwang. Now let me come to the next book. This is a small book. It's called The Door to Door Bookstore and it's written by Karsten Henn. This is the first time I'm coming across this author and this book. So, this is about a bookstore and this is about an elderly employee in the bookstore. So, Carl is an employee in the bookstore from a very young age. He takes books for certain special customers who cannot come to the store. He really enjoys that. He loves recommending books. And one day he meets a 8-year-old girl. And this is about how she changes his life and how he affects her life. Because Carl is also going through a very difficult period when he knows that he might be out of a job soon. So I am very excited about this because I want to see what books Carl recommends. Because recommending books is something that I love. The high that I get when a book that I recommend is loved by the reader, it's amazing. It's a great feeling. So I want to know what are the books that Carl recommends. So this is The Door to Door Bookstore written by Karsten Henn, which I'm really, really looking forward to. And now, An Unnecessary Woman written by Rabi Alamuddin. Now, Rabi Alamuddin is a Lebanese American author and he has written 6 novels and short stories. This book sounds very interesting, okay? And this is about a 72-year-old widow called Alia who is living in Lebanon, in Beirut. She loves books and she has been translating books from English to Arabic. She does it, she takes a classic like War and Peace and Anna Karenina and books like that. And on January 1st, she starts translating it into Arabic. She translates it into sheets of paper. And at the end of the year, she finishes it, and that stack of paper goes into one box. She does not show it to anyone. It's not for anybody else's, reading pleasure or criticism or anything. It's just for her. And I loved that. I loved that she's doing it for herself. I loved the fact that there is a person who's staying by herself, who's completely content with the world she has created, and who is doing something as beautiful as translating a book into her own language just for her pleasure. I think that is, for me, that is ideal. Where you are confident enough and where you feel happy enough to do something just for your own pleasure without wanting external validation of any kind. So I'm really looking forward to reading this book, An Unnecessary Woman by Rabi Alamuddin. So these are the three books, and I am very excited. Catabasis by Arif Kwang, The Door to Door Bookstore by Carlton Henn. Yes, sorry, Karsten Henn, and An Unnecessary Woman by Rabi Alamuddin. Right, this is the one I'm really looking forward to. Okay, so if you feel like indulging yourself, go and get a book for yourself and tell me what you bought, or just start reading a new book. But read. So till we meet again for the next video, you guys stay safe, take care. Bye bye.